Now, we can't remember if you have to sign in or log in to CapCut. Do know it's changed a little bit since we started using it, so you might have to sign in now, we're not too sure. But either way, it's free anyway to use. So it's really simple, and it's, even if you've never edited before, it is really easy, which is amazing. So here is what the app looks like when you go in. New project. There you go. Straight away, press any video you want. We'll just go with this one. And there we go. The video is in. That's it. Simple as that to put the video in. Click on the video and you can split parts of it out if you want, like this. Here you go. I'll just cut a second out there and it's gone. Easy. Done. Yeah, that's kind of all you really need to edit a video. That's it. Cut the parts out you don't need and the video's there. But it has all these other cool parts too. So on the bottom here, you can change the audio, put new audio in. This one you can add auto captions. Now with the auto captions though, you need internet, and you need internet for other things on this, like stickers, clips, and you can adjust what the clip looks like here. There you go. Easy, 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 easy. For anything to do with audio, all you have to do is click on the clip. The volume's here. There you go. Simple. So that's why I love CapCut. Like you can see here, it's so easy to use and you can learn it in about 2 minutes, which is amazing.